See fifth problem. Areas of two similar triangle are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of the bigger triangle. Let A1 and A2 be areas of two triangles. Be the areas of two triangles. Okay. A1 is equal to 225 centimeter square. A2 is equal to 81 centimeter square. Okay, so if a side of smaller triangle, let S1 and S2 be sides of corresponding triangles. So S1 we have to find, S2 is 12 centimeter because A2 is 81 centimeter, smaller area of smaller triangle, so S2 will be 12 centimeter. Okay, so by using property of areas of similar triangles, it is given. So A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square by using the theorem of areas of similar triangles by using property. So now insert the values. A1 is 225 upon A2 is 81 is equal to S1 square. We want to find S1, we want to find S2 is 12 square. Okay, so S1 square is equal to 225 into 144 upon 81. Now if we take square root on both the side, what we get? 225 is 15 square, 144 is 12 square, and 81 is 9 square. Okay, so whatever value after calculation you will get, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s is 12, 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12, so 5 4s is 20. So S1 is equal to 20 centimeter. See the sixth problem. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. If area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 2 and AB is equal to 4, find DE. Okay. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF, these are given to us as equilateral triangle. Okay, so in equilateral you can show that angle A is congruent to angle D because they are equilateral. Similarly angle B is congruent to angle E, okay, because they are equilateral triangles. So therefore we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by AA test of similarity. So now you can say that ratio of areas of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to square of their corresponding side, that is S1 square upon S2 square. So which equal to AB is given to us 4 and we want to find DE, so that is DE square we want to find, and ratio of areas is given to you, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 4 square upon DE square. So cross multiplying it, what will get? DE square is equal to 16 by 2. So that is DE square is equal to 32 square root of, so by taking square in next step, DE is equal to square root of 32. So DE is equal to square root 32. So DE is equal to 16 2s is 32. So you know square root of 16 is 4. So we can write 4 root 2. So DE is equal to 4 root 2 centimeter. So this is our answer.